Morning everybody, it's a bitterly cold January morning 2019 and what I'm going to show you today, say hello darling, what I'm going to show you today is how to unlock a serger or overlocker that's seized up. The most common reason that an overlocker seizes up is because of two bearings, the needlebar bearing and this main shaft bearing here, which is what they call the upper looper. Now what you need to do is put a little drop of oil on there, a couple of little drops of oil, and let it really soak in. You can let it soak in overnight if you've got time, and then you just keep working the hand wheel until it starts to move, and eventually if you just keep working it, and that's it, and that will get all the rust away. You don't need to clean anything up. Wow, look at that. That was much easier than I thought. This is an amazing, this is a Bonina overlocker, Bonetta, and this machine is being totally abused, and yet to replace it would be about £600 plus. It's just extraordinary what people will do. The reason the Bonina Bonettas are so good, this is the 334D, is because they were made in Japan and the Japanese engineering was spot on. So that's the beginning of the repair, and within an hour or two that thing will be sewing like new. But I just thought I'd show you, if you've got a serger or an overlocker, oil that point there and your machine will last twice as long. And I hope find that a little bit useful. All right, bye for now.